Let's see how to use live captions in Microsoft Teams meetings. First, join a meeting or start your own. And once you're in the meeting, go to the meeting toolbar. It's the row of icons at the top. Click on the More or three dots menu and then select Turn on Live Captions. Microsoft Teams will now display captions in real time as people speak. And keep in mind that Teams does its best to detect the speaker and accurately transcribe their words. Now to disable its captions, just go back to the More menu and select Turn off Live Captions. And that's how to use live captions in Microsoft Teams meetings. See you soon.